this. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dumebi. If this is your first time stumbling on my channel, you're welcome. Please join the family by hitting the subscribe button just right below this video, and then there's a bell right beside it so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. And if you're already an old subscriber, you know how we do it. So today's video is basically going to be an unboxing and the first impression stroke review of a PR package that got delivered to me. Yes, as you guys can see, this is kind of like a big one. So I received this parcel yesterday evening from Beyond Beauty NG. Beyond Beauty NG is a Nigerian makeup brand. Like, there are so many makeup brands that some have actually been there for a while. I've known Beyond Beauty for a while. Like, I've even used some of their lip stains before. I'm sure I'm going to be seeing a lot of their products that I've not used before. So I'm just going to be unboxing it like right in front of you guys so you can see what came in the package. Let's just get right into it, guys. I have opened it eventually, and this is what is inside. Like, this is like makeup supplies to last me for a whole lifetime. First thing here is a powder brush. So definitely a synthetic brush, but it seems like something. Oh, it's really soft to the skin. Looks like I'm going to enjoy using this. These are stick lipsticks, and I have 2 shades. I have actually noticed this about a lot of the Nigerian brands that have, you know, gotten some of their products before. They sort of always, like, the packaging is always similar to already existing foreign brands specifically. So I'm not particularly impressed about that. I think, like, you should go out of the box. You don't have to play it safe, like, you know, like copying the packaging that is already out there. The Beyond Beauty Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. Again, this looks a lot like the LA Girl Pro Primer. I think these are like lip stains, and they are called lip oil, purple and red. The face definer, the Beyond Beauty face definer, which contains highlight, contour and bronzer. This is what it looks like. I have another set of lipsticks here, and these ones are lipstick. Let me just swatch it. Okay. Nice. Smells like bubble gum. I have 2 foundations here. Is 100% matte BB foundation in the shade 203. I kind of like the packaging. The compact makeup powder by Beyond Beauty. Woo! Look at this shade. Oh, another set of lipsticks. You can never have too many lipsticks. It's just not possible. Ooh, I think like every color you can think of, I have them. Here we have the Beyond Beauty eyeliner gel. It's a long-lasting, waterproof, smudge-proof gel. So there's the black and there's the brown. Oh god, you guys. And I don't know. Oh, this is like so creamy. Like, seriously. While this one is a little bit thicker, but you guys can see. Ooh, look at that black. Can you guys see? I have a glitter palette called Glitter Obsession by Beyond Beauty. Okay, this is really cute. It has about 6 colors in it. These 2 right here are just like shimmer shadows, while these 4 here are glitters. Okay, so let's just see about this glitter. Okay, yes girl. Okay, I think you can use these ones without glue. Here I have contour, highlight and powder palettes. I have like cream concealers. I believe this is medium, this is dark, this is chocolate, this is primer, this is a powder, and the rest here are cream. Then over here I have Beyond Beauty Professional Makeup 6 color face palette with SPF 30. It looks so rich. They have 6 shades here, and I think we have more of the darker shades than the lighter shades here. So this is light, medium, ebony, dark, chocolate and deep dark. And I can definitely tell you guys my shade is here. Seriously, Beyond Beauty, you guys cater to dark skin, and I'm impressed by that. So I think I'm just going to get right into the video because this is everything. The box is empty right now, as you guys can see. Ooh, my head. I'm priming my face using the primer by Beyond Beauty Cosmetics, and I can tell that it's like a silicone primer. I'm just going to be using this particular shade that I was given, mixing it with my black opal True Color Stick Foundation. So I'm going to be using this shade right here for my highlights. So guys, to set my face, I'm going to be going into the Beyond Beauty Face Definer and taking this shade right here to set my highlights. So just going to be putting a bit of the powder on my brows to kind of like mattify the brow, because I'm going to be doing my brows next. I'm going to be going back into the concealer in the shade Toffee to just prime my eyes. I'm going to be going into my Glitz and Glam Festival Queen palette, and I also reviewed their product. This is another Nigerian beauty brand that sent me their product, so I'm just going to be linking it up here for you guys to check it out. So I particularly love this eyeshadow. The first shade I'm going to be taking before I go in with any colors is just this same shade right here, to just place here. I'll be using this shade. Because I want like a burgundy shade, like a deep wine kind of shade, and I do not seem to have it here, I'm going to have to mix to get it. So I'll be taking a mixture of this shade right here and some black. I'm going to be taking this light pink shade right here, just to put right next to my brows, just right here like this. I'm going to be cutting my crease using this shade right here. So guys, the first shade I'm going to be using is this matte white shade here. The next shade I'll be taking is this one right here. I'm going to go into their Glitter Obsession palette and taking I'll use this one. Next, I'm going to be going into the Beyond Beauty eyeliner gel to line my eye, and I'm particularly worried, or rather I don't know what to expect, because I feel like it's so creamy and I don't know if it dries quick enough. I really do not want to mess up my eye makeup because I put in so much effort into this, guys. Let's just see what happens. Oh my god, it's so creamy. I love it. I think I'm too easy to impress. Beyond Beauty, you guys were not playing when you made this liner at all. Okay, let's just see how fast it takes to dry and if it's going to be smudge proof. I pray it's going to be smudge proof. Because I'm so in love with this really dark shade, I'm going to be using this shade to brush off my highlight, because my highlight is like way lighter than me. So I believe by the time I use this, it's going to balance out. Powder brush is so soft and fluffy, and the bristles are full, like it's dense. I really like it. Just going to be going in once more again with my contour, the same contour that I used before. Going into my Glitz and Glam palette, and I'll be taking this shade right here as my blush. I'll be taking this one right here to glow up my face. This is the Beyond Beauty in the shade 48. Just because I feel like this shade is maybe just a little bit too dark, I'm going to brighten it up. So guys, this is the finished look. So now to give you guys my opinion about the products that I use from Beyond Beauty, I'm going to tell you that I had some favorites, of which my number one favorite is their gel liner. Like, their gel liner is the blackest black, and it's kind of like not too pasty. It was really creamy, which made me like, it was easily blendable. It moves about just the way you want it, but it's not too creamy to the extent that it stains or it smudges. You can see that everything is just where I put it, and it dried up very beautifully and extremely matte. So this is like my favorite. Then their lipsticks also were awesome. I also enjoyed using their face definer. I enjoyed using their powders. Then the only thing I had a little bit of difficulty working with was this palette right here, because I used this for my highlight. I used this to highlight, but I found out that this one was a bit difficult for me to blend. I started blending it like my highlight using this. I started blending it with my beauty blender. It wasn't blending. At some point it was even lifting. So their pro concealers are awesome. Their powder brush, I really love this. I think this is going to be making a lot of appearances on this channel because I'm just taken by it. Their primer, of course, it did what a primer did. My face is still put, and I do not see any smile lines or whatsoever showing up because I've had my face makeup for like almost 2-3 hours thereabouts at this point. So yeah, I think everything came out nice, and I'm very impressed. Their glitter, as you guys can see, is perfect. Like, they're staying exactly where I put them. There's no glitter fallout. You understand? So the glitter did not need did not need glitter glue or anything. It just stayed, and it was easy to work with. Nigerian brands are really doing so good, and I hope they get the kind of popularity they deserve because their products are really up to standard. So I think everything that I used, I loved. The only adjustment, or the only thing I think will work on, was their cream concealer, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, to subscribe, share with your friends. Okay, don't be stingy. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.